Capricornian, and welcome to your reading for the month of September 2020. So let's begin your reading, but before we begin, let me just quickly pull out a card from my Moonology Oracle deck. So the card which has come says work through your fears. It says that a new phase in your life is beginning and you are being born again. You are rising from the ashes like a phoenix. So whatever you have been through, this is a new start in your life. The path ahead may be fuzzy or dark even right now, but it's deep and transforming. So it's time to let go of any kind of grudge that you're holding against somebody and stop being so possessive and paranoid and move on from jealousy. You need to work on your inner self. So what a wonderful message, Capricornians. So come join me as I take you on a journey of tarot cards and let us see what the month of September holds for you. So the first week I have for you the Knight of Cups. So this is an extremely positive card. It shows that a person is riding a horse, but the horse is stand still, and there is a mountain ahead. The horse is afraid to move ahead. So this shows this person is carrying a cup in his hand. This cup could be holding water. This symbolizes that this person is holding a lot of emotions, and this person is not yet ready to face his inner demons, his emotional issues and struggles as well. So you need to take it up yourself. You need to resolve this. Then the second week we have for you Nine of Pentacles. This shows a woman wearing loose clothes and she is holding a cuckoo bird on her hand, representing harmony, sweetness and some good news for sure. She is a rich lady and she is secure in terms of material comfort, and you can see in the background there is a castle here. If you can see, there is a castle here. So this castle symbolizes her ambition and her inner desire to achieve something big in life. This also, the loose clothes that she is wearing could also represent that she is pregnant, she has conceived, or she is starting up with a project. So 9 numerologically represents the end of a cycle, and this shows that this lady or you have traveled the path to reach there. Pentacles represent money, which implies that you have integrated the various factors of your life into a secure base, and now you are enjoying money, resources and physical energy as a smooth combined flow, and that there is plenty around you, material well-being, order and success. Then the third week, the card which I have for you is the Star card. You can see there are a lot of stars in this card, and you can see this person is holding 2 urns and water is flowing. So this shows that the person is very creative and intuitive, and this ability can make you rise like a star, and you need to use your gut instinct without any biased thought process. As you can see, the person is pouring water into a lake and they is creating ripples in the river. So the process has already started. The work which has been done by you is going to create a ripple and a name for you, and at this point of time you are experiencing a new flow of energy and self-confidence. You feel good about yourself and your place in the universe. You have arrived at a significant place for which you have been preparing yourself. You are receiving assistance both from the invisible world and from the material world. Good things are in the offering: money, possessions, love, recognition or assistance, because you are full of faith and trust in life and its many processes, and you are now setting new goals for the future and opening the door to new opportunities in your career and relationship. The card says, rise and shine like a big star. Do something different using your gut instinct without any fear or biases or prejudices, and this process you are creating something bigger in life. You are and it is already creating a movement in your life, and a big name is being created for you in the world, in your life. Then the fourth card which I have for you is the Lover's card. So you can see there is a man and a woman, and so this definitely talks about sexual attraction, but then this here is a archangel. So this is Archangel Gabriel, and the card says that you are going to meet someone here and harmony is going to be restored in your life. Things will happen exactly that they are meant to happen. We have Archangel Gabriel here in this card, and he says that you need to communicate with your better half, with your partner. This person could be a Gemini, and this card or it could be Gemini sun sign or moon sign, and you yourself have an important life purpose involving communication and arts, and please do not allow your insecurities to hold you back. And he says that I will help you, and it is important to work on your education and skills, more so if you are connected to the media line, so that you can reach the path that you are meant to walk on. Then the last week we have for you Queen of Pentacles. This shows a lot of abundance and growth, and fortune, money is there in store for you, but you can see the woman is looking down, so this implies that yet something is missing, some area of the life is barren, it is empty, and she has earned a lot of money. You have earned a lot of money, and this prosperity is pure, it is through honest means, and this shows a generous woman, excellent in practical and financial area. She is going to guide you correctly and is going to give you good financial advice, if you have and this woman is around you, and she will be able to give you good financial advice, and that advice will result in giving you tangible results. If however there is no such person in your life, this obviously shows that you have harvested after much labor, and it's going to be a time to enjoy your success. So that's all, my friends. Here's wishing you that the upcoming month fills your life with positivity and removes the negativity from your life. Until the time we meet again, this is me saying namaste.